How to get rid of indoor termites? Some people call them white ants, but the correct term is termites. These pesky insects can live underground or make their homes above ground in wood floors, walls, furniture and any place that's warm and moist. Termites can cause considerable structural damage if not eradicated. To avoid expensive repairs, you should take preventive measures. Once termites have invaded your home, the problem gets progressively worse if not treated. The best way to get rid of termites is to call a professional exterminator, but there are other things you can try first. Things you will need: termiticides, termite baits. Repair any leaks inside and outside of your house and keep gutters clean and dry. Stack any wood or timber away from the house. Repair any cracks inside and outside of your house to help with termite extermination. Spray liquid termiticides on soil surrounding the area where termites have been found. Any wood or stucco that has been infested will also need to be sprayed. Termiticides will repel and kill the termites. Place termite baits in the ground around area where termites are found. These termite baits can also be placed inside the home where termites have invaded the walls or furniture. They will eat the bait and share it with the rest of the termites in the colony, and it will eventually kill them. Tips: warnings. Always read and follow label directions when using any pesticide.